Good morning everyone. So in this lecture I'm going to discuss about the discrete Fourier transform DFT, right? So the first one is it is applicable for only finite length of sequence. Remember, if it is an infinite sequence we cannot apply the DFT. That is x of 1 should be 0 to n minus 1. Now we'll see the transform pair or DFT pair. That is, if I want to find the DFT for x of n, so the notation is x of k. X of k is equal to sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e power minus j into 2 pi by n into k into n. Remember this, e power minus j 2 pi by n into k into n. Now if I want to find inverse DFT, that is x of n from x of k, so 1 by n sigma k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k into e power j. See here minus and here it will be plus j 2 pi by n into k into n, right? So you have to remember one point is, if x of n is discrete, x of k is also in discrete, and we should see this same length will be there, right? So if I use this formula, if x of n is length of 4, x of k also will be length of 4. And if x of n is periodic, and x of k also will be periodic, or if x of k is periodic, x of n is also periodic, right? Both will be in periodic in nature. Other way of doing this DFT is like this. I will replace g power minus j into 2 pi by n as wn. So x of k is now will become x of n into wn power k into n. So here wn is e power minus j 2 pi by n. And if I want to find inverse DFT, so x of n is equal to 1 by n, k equal to 0 to n minus 1, x of k into wn power minus kn. Here plus k, here minus k. But if we compare either Laplace, z or whatever, x of s was integration x of t e power minus st dt. But here it's a plus. But in here actually should be minus, can be also, but here we are already used that minus here. That's why here we got plus and here we got minus. And if it is x of omega also, x of t e power minus j omega t dt. So don't confuse with that. So remember, the DFT is first will be positive, next will be negative, right? Next, two more points. Remember, sometimes they ask, to find a DFT we need n square complex multiplications. N is here is the length, or we can say generally periodic also. Complex multiplications required is n square. That is, if n is equal to 4, we need at least 4 square. That is 16 multiplications and n into n minus 1. So 4 into 3, 12 additions required, right? But using FFT algorithm to find DFT, see, FFT is algorithm, not different Fourier transform or fast Fourier transform. Generally meaning is fast Fourier transform, but it is used for to find the DFT. Here multiplications required only n by 2 into log n base 2. Additions is required n into log n base 2. Compared to this, we will get multiplications additions are very small. Or so suppose if I use this 4 by 2 log 4 2. So it's only 4 multiplications required in FFT algorithm, but here we are using 16 multiplications. Similarly, additions 4 log 4 2. So it is 8, 4 into 8. So 8 multiplications required, but here additions required, here 12 additions required. So the number of multiplications and number of additions will be reduced in using FFT algorithm. Next, we'll see another approach to find the DFT. So if I use this formula, so it will be lengthy procedure. But other way of doing is, this wn power kn I will replace with like this. So I need x of 0, that is DFT 0 to n minus 1. And this is given signal. In place of w and k, so or generally it is called dn, it is the matrix form. That is the first row and first column will be always 1. The second row will start wn power 1 into 1, then 1 into 2, and so on. So it is 1 into n minus 1. Similarly, next one is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, and so on, 2 into n minus 1. Here also, so 1 into 1, 2 into 1, and n minus 1 into 1. Similarly, n minus 1 into 2, n minus 1 into n minus 1. Here, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into n minus 1, and so on. So this is the matrix form we have to denote. Then we can find easily x of 0. That when we see the example, then it will be very clear. Suppose if n is equal to 4, what is Wn? E power minus j 2 pi by n. If I substitute n is equal to 4, I will get e power minus j 2 pi by 4, which is nothing but e power minus j pi by 2. It can be represented like this: cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, so it is minus j. So Wn is minus j. Now how to represent? So n is equal to 4 means it will be goes to n minus 1 means 3. Here also x of 1 to 3, or we can say it is x of 0, 1, 2, 3. Both are should be same length. Next, this will be fixed. The first one is Wn power 1, that is minus j power n, so minus j. Next one is minus j whole square, so minus j into minus j. So what I will get? J square, which is nothing but minus 1. Next one is Wn power n minus 1, so n is 4, so Wn power 3, so minus j whole cube. So what is this? Minus j whole square into minus j. So minus j whole square is minus 1 into minus j. Minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus j, j. Similarly, next one is Wn square. So it will be follow like this only. And this one is also follows Wn power n minus 1. See, Wn power n minus 1. Next one here is Wn power 4. Right? Wn power 4 is minus j whole power 4. So minus j square into minus j square. Right? Minus 1 into minus 1. I will get plus 1. Similarly, this one is minus 1. Wn power 6. So minus j whole power 6. I know already minus j power 4 is 1 into minus j whole square. It is nothing but minus 1. See, minus 1. So it will be resemble same as. Last one is n minus 1 whole square. That is Wn power 3 minus 4 minus 1, 3 square, 9. So minus j whole power 9 will become minus j. You can directly remember, if the length is 4, you can represent this matrix directly. All ones minus j minus 1 j. So this 2 will be resemble here directly. So minus 1 j. Next one is 1 minus 1 minus 1 and minus j here. So you can remember, and you can we can find the DFT directly by using this formula. Now if I see example, x of n is equal to this, and we need to find DFT. So we will see first normal procedure. That is, the formula is x of k is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into Wn power nk. Right? 1 second. Next, here n is equal to 4. So this will become n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into n. This is capital N, this is small n. Right? 1 second. Right? Now first I want to find what k equal 0. So in place of k I will put 0. In place of k I will put 0. Then e power anything power 0 is 1. So this whole term will become 1. Then if I substitute n equal to 0, so x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. So the values I will substitute here, I will get 6. Next one is for k is equal to 1, I will substitute x of 1 is equal to n equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n means 4 into n into 1. Now what is e power minus j 2 by 4 minus j? So minus j whole power n. Now substitute n equal to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and so on. I will get x of n as minus 1 plus 3j. Similarly, k equal to 2. So it is minus j power n into 2. Then again n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then I will get sg. Similarly, k equal to 3. So minus j power n into 3. Then I will substitute x of 0, x of 1 and so on. I will get minus 1 minus 3j. So this is x of k as like this. This is the normal procedure, so it's lengthy procedure. Now if I use that matrix form, So I know that for n is equal to 4, this is the matrix, and x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Now simply substitute 1, 0, 2, 3 here, that is x of n values. Then if I want to find x of 0, multiply this row with this column, that is 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 6. Next second row, so this row with this column, so 1 into 1, 1 minus j into 0, minus 1 into 2 plus 3 into j, so minus 1 plus 3j. Next x of 2, so 1 this row and this column, so 1 into 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 into 3, you will get 0. Next last one, x of 3, this row, this column, so 1 into 1 plus j into 0 minus 2, 1 into 2 minus j into 3. So this is the DFT. So this method is very easy. If you have to remember this matrix only, that is n is equal to 4. So what you do is, for n is equal to 4, for n is equal to 8, you remember this matrix. Then in the GATE exam you directly remember this, then you can easily solve the problem on DFT. Next in the next lecture we'll see some properties of the DFT, right?